Losing weight in a healthy way naturally is a method recommended by doctors. In this video, which we have organized with the help of the most important experts in this field, you are given important advice and recipes about slimming cures. These recipes provide you with a fit appearance in the short term without getting sick and unwanted problems. Weight loss cures. As it is known, counterfeit medicines and vitamin pills, whose contents are not known exactly, cause sudden crises or diseases. It is also possible to lose weight without using these drugs that are not approved and recommended by experts. Moreover, losing weight with natural healing cures is both healthy and economical and effortless. For those who want to lose weight, it is possible to keep fit in a short time thanks to the miracle formula. What is detox water? Healthy detox recipes. Slimming tea. If you make the right mix, you can make it easier to burn the excess in your body. Increased tea consumption keeps you hydrated while cleansing your body's systems. These slimming tea recipes for weight loss are used by everyone as they are new and healthy. Slimming drinks help you lose weight when combined with a healthy diet. But there is no safe and healthy way to lose weight without exercise and without the right diet plan. Drinking slimming teas can help you lose weight if you continue the active plan. Studies have shown that slimming teas can help your body enhance its natural toxin detoxification processes. Slimming teas come in a wide variety. Slimming tea consists of herbal ingredients that are thought to promote metabolism and speed up digestion. Materials: 4 teaspoons of green tea, 4 teaspoons of mate leaves, 2 teaspoons of thyme, 2 teaspoons of nettle leaves, 1 liter of water. Preparation of: for slimming tea, add green tea, mate leaves, thyme, and nettle leaves into a glass. Mix all the ingredients and add them to the boiling water. After waiting for 10 minutes to brew, you can drink it with pleasure. It is appropriate to drink this tea 3 or 4 times a day. Parsley Cure. Parsley temporarily facilitates weight loss by helping the body get rid of excess water. Water retention may be related to premenstrual syndrome, excess sodium in your diet, pregnancy, or certain medications. Diuretic vegetables and teas help remove some of this excess fluid. Although parsley is considered a mild diuretic, you can consult your healthcare provider before trying this cycle. Materials: half a bunch of parsley, juice of 1 lemon, 1 glass of water. Preparation of: add the cleaned parsley, squeeze lemon juice and drinking water into the food processor, and mix well. You can consume this cure in the morning before breakfast for 15 days. If you want to continue, you can take a break for a few days and start again. This cure, which cleanses the liver, will not only brighten your skin, but also create a detox effect. Tilia Cure. Materials: linden, rosehip, golden herb plant. Preparation of: after the ingredients are ready, linden and rosehip are mixed at least 20 grams and golden herb at least 10 grams. You need to throw this mixture that you have prepared into approximately 1 liter of boiled water and continue to boil by stirring for about 3 more minutes. After the Tilia Cure boils well in water and gives its color, it is taken to infuse. After brewing, it is poured into a 1 liter bottle and left for a while to warm up. The important point here is that it is inconvenient to drink this 1 liter cure at once. Cabbage Cure. Materials: for large cabbage leaves, half liter of drinking water, half a bunch of parsley, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Preparation of: boil the cabbage for a few minutes in drinking water without breaking it too much. Then add clean and fresh parsley and boil for a few more minutes. Your total boiling time should not exceed 5 to 6 minutes. You can filter the water and divide this cure into 3 and consume it at different meals of the day. You should add lemon juice before drinking. Yogurt Cure. Juice of 1 lemon. 1 teaspoon paprika. 3 tablespoons of low-fat yogurt. Full-fat yogurt is not very suitable for curing. Preparation of. First, put the ingredients in a bowl and mix them. Then keep this bowl in the refrigerator. Eat your Yogurt Cure 1 hour before going to bed. Yogurt Cure is beneficial when applied regularly for at least a week. Applying for 2 to 3 weeks will help you achieve a healthy appearance. Materials: 2 glasses of water. 1 onion. The water should be heated and put in a bowl, and the onion should be thrown into this boiled water in for equal parts. The prepared cure should be consumed before meals in a warm form. This cure should be applied for a maximum of 15 days, as it may cause negative consequences when consumed excessively. It is perfect for fast and healthy weight loss. Don't forget to like the channel and subscribe.